I'm Andy from KTI. I'd like to introduce our new fuel management systems called Keenan filters. Our design intent is to provide a system that will protect the engine from shutting down due to fuel contamination, ensure clean fuel delivery, give advance warning, and have the tools to perform routine maintenance from the tank to the engine. We redesigned our dual filter system from the ground up, keeping the fluid passages internal to the housing. This reduced the overall size, and at the same time allows us to port clean fuel back to the filter for servicing, priming, and testing. The internal passages also allow the integrated fuel pump to polish and prime and bleed without interrupting the engine fuel supply, and if needed, can back up the engine-driven fuel pump if it fails. We redesigned the electrical system with more warning control options. Our remote warning panel will alarm the operator if the filter is starting to clog or water is detected. It also can be muted to reduce unwanted cockpit noise, and electrically can switch filters from the panel. We added an interface box. This allows a simple installation between the filter and warning panel. It also allows the system to be connected to a NEMA bus or a GSM system. The new design can be installed in any diesel engine fuel system, especially installations that are vulnerable to fuel contamination, like in environmental conditions that have high heat and humidity. Fuel that is stored for long periods in generators, marine vessels, and off-road equipment. Our dual filter system allows the operator to change filters without having to shut down the engine. And to ensure clean fuel delivery, perform preventative maintenance, fuel polishing. Have advance warning before it can affect the engine operation, and the right tools to troubleshoot and correct problems. The MK60DP is not just a filtration filter, it is a fuel management system. Let me show you some of the features. Dual top loading filters, make it easy to change. An integrated fuel pump for servicing, priming, and polishing. A remote warning panel alerts the operator before a problem can affect the engine operation. Vacuum and pressure gauges. Filter fill valves to service the offline filter. A flow sight makes it easier for the operator to see when the air is bled out of the system. Our spill shield. It is there to not only protect the filter from fire and heat, but also to collect any accidentally spilled fuel before it enters the bilge. Drain valves make it easy to keep the bottom of the filter bowls clean. And our interface box connects the filter to the warning panel. The only option we have with this system is our EFS system. That allows the operator to switch filters from the helm. It can also be armed to automatically switch filters if a filter fault occurs. All of our filters meet and exceed the ISO, ABYC, and US Coast Guard requirements.